welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're looking to add a touch of sun-kissed warmth to your complexion without the harsh effects of bronzing powders, this one might just be what you need. Let's dive into the Iredale PureBronze Shimmer Bronzer Refill, a product designed to give you buildable, breathable coverage with a beautiful shimmery finish. First off, this bronzer comes in a refill form, which is great for those who already own the compact but want to switch out the shade. The Moonglow shade, specifically, is perfect for those who prefer a soft, natural glow rather than an intense bronze. Its buildable coverage allows you to go from a subtle hint of color to a more pronounced bronze without ever looking cakey. The powder is lightweight, which makes it easy to blend out, and the formula promises breathability, a key point for those with sensitive skin or anyone who's looking for a comfortable wear throughout the day. What I love about this product is the fact that it's cruelty-free, aligning with Jane Iredale's commitment to creating products that are not only good for your skin, but also kind to our furry friends. Now, on to how it performed in my routine. I've tested this bronzer in several different settings, both on bare skin and layered over foundation, and I've been impressed with how it adapts. On bare skin, it provided a light glow with just a few swipes, and over foundation, it added warmth without disrupting my makeup underneath. It doesn't settle into fine lines or pores, which is something that's always a concern with powders, especially shimmer ones. The formula blends effortlessly, which is always a plus when you're trying to avoid that harsh, streaky line that some bronzers tend to leave behind. You can build it up gradually, but I'd recommend starting with a light hand. It's easy to overdo it, especially with the shimmer, but once you find that perfect balance, the result is stunning. As for the design, the refill option is quite clever, especially if you're a fan of Jane Iredale's compacts and want to save on packaging. It's eco-friendly too, which is something I always appreciate in beauty products. On the downside, I did notice that while the Moonglow shade worked well for my skin tone, it might be a bit too light for deeper skin tones. Jane Iredale offers other shades, but if you're on the darker end of the spectrum, you might need to explore those options. Also, for those with oily skin, you might want to set it with a light powder, as the shimmer can add a bit of shine throughout the day. In terms of value for money, this bronzer sits at a mid to high price point. Jane Iredale products are often considered an investment due to their clean formulations and longevity, but whether or not it's worth it depends on your priorities. If you're looking for a bronzer that's cruelty-free, lightweight, and offers a natural buildable finish, it's certainly worth considering. But if you're someone who doesn't mind a little more shimmer or prefers something a bit more budget-friendly, there are alternatives available in the drugstore. When compared to other bronzers in the same price range, this one holds its ground. The Buildable formula, lack of harsh chemicals, and commitment to cruelty-free standards set it apart from many mainstream options that may have less natural ingredients or more intense, hard-to-blend pigmentation. As for packaging and build quality, it's solid. The powder itself is finely milled, which makes for a smoother application. I also really like the compactness of the refill. It's easy to store and convenient for those of us who like to travel with our beauty products. The bronzer lasted for hours without fading, so no complaints there. Is this product worth your hard-earned cash? If you're someone who's all about clean beauty and loves a natural yet buildable bronzer with a hint of shimmer, then yes, it ticks the boxes when it comes to performance, blendability, and packaging. However, if you're on the hunt for something more budget-friendly or intensely pigmented, you might want to explore other options. If you've tried this bronzer, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience with us. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest expert review. Your support helps us bring more reviews like this to life. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.